Hello friends, this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. So a very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine. Me also good too. So I came up with a new small story to make you happy. I hope you guys like this. So without wasting time, let's get started. The story name is A Stupid Boy. A Stupid Boy. This is a small and very interesting story. So let's get started. A boy was standing on the road and was very angry and looking here and there and carrying a knife. Suddenly a old man passing through the road and he saw that boy. So he asked him, why you are looking so angry and why you are carrying a knife? What happened? Do you have any problems? Or you are searching something? Then that boy said, no, I need money. I will kill people and steal their money. Then old man get shocked. But he said, if you killed people, then God will punish you. You can earn money by working hard. In this way you can earn money. But that boy said, no, I will not do hard work because I am so lazy. I have to kill people and I have to steal their money, and in this way I can live my life very happily. Then that old man said, this is not the way to earn money. God will punish you. When you will die, God will punish you for your bad deeds, for your bad works. After a long conversation, the boy understood that this is not a way to kill people and this is not a way to earn money. So he asked to the old man, can you give me a job so that I can earn money? That old man was a officer. He said, yeah, you can come to my office tomorrow. I'll give you a job. So at that time, that actually that boy was very poor and he tried a lot. To work, but he didn't get any job. So that's why he become very angry, and he started thinking to kill people. So after that he realized that he will get job and he will earn money. So this was the story. I hope you guys like this story. If you like this story, then please to subscribe my channel. My YouTube channel name is Moki Life with Smile. And if you are watching from Facebook, then please follow me to get more stories from me. And please don't forget to like, comment and share. So this is all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. I will come up with new story to entertain you. I hope you guys like this. So bye for now, and thank you so much for watching.